This is my favorite all-purpose stretchy bind off. It's perfect for shawl edges, necklines, socks, gloves, you name it. I'm going to work 2 knit stitches. This can also be worked in pattern. I've worked my 2 stitches. Now I'm going to replace them onto my left hand needle. Once those are on my left needle, I am going to knit 2 together through the back loop. To continue, I'm going to knit another stitch, place both stitches back on my left needle, and to do this faster, I don't need to take my right needle out. I can just leave it in place and knit those 2 together through the back loop. Knit, replace on left needle, knit 2 together through the back loop. This makes a nice stretchy bind off. You can see how stretchy that is, and there's no need to do this bind off looser than usual. It will automatically be a nice stretchy bind off.